Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I have something that I've been waiting to make for the longest. This is a garlic knot chicken Alfredo ring. So basically it is like a monkey bread, like a pull apart bread so I'll have the recipe and instructions in the description box below. But basically you take some pizza dough, roll it into some balls, you take some shredded chicken, you have some crumpled bacon, you have some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan cheese, some parsley, some garlic powder, some pepper, and some Alfredo sauce. You mix it all up and you throw it in a bundt pan and in the oven and you cook it on up, and voila, this is what it comes out as. It's really pretty. I like it. I love the golden color of it. Fell apart a little bit right here, but that's okay. And for the dipping sauce for it, you guys, you're supposed to, they want you to use Alfredo sauce, but I decided to go ahead and use Caesar dressing. So here's a piece. Smells so good. It's a pizza. Like a white. Here's some of the bacon. This is good, you guys. It's hot. I got this recipe from tasty.com. It just came out the oven, so it's nice and hot. I've been waiting on this one. Everybody's been waiting on this one. The fan band, waiting for me to make it. Look at this. Ooh, look at, wish I could see in here. It's all cheesy in there. It kind of tastes like a white chicken pizza. Let me try to turn it around for y'all. That chicken. This is a simple meal, you guys. If you have all the ingredients, look at that. This is so good. This can be like a nice, you know, weekday meal for the family. It's so good. Or a nice dish to maybe take to a potluck. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. Fun. Delicious. I'm not sure how well jalapenos would cook in here. I guess they'd be fine, but you know me, I always want a little bit of heat. How's everybody been? Hopefully everybody has been doing lovely. Guys, I guess I'll turn it this way so you guys can see what I'm doing, but now I can't see. Guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment down below. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. Next to the subscription button is a notification bell. If you hit the bell twice, you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. This is so delicious. It really does taste like a pizza. Had a little interruption, guys. Sorry. Fam Bam is very impatient tonight. They want to try his bread. I just said, hold on, let me finish filming. It's so good. It has such a nice crunch to it. I was going to film me actually making it, but that would have been a bit much. So, I don't want to pull too much because I don't want the sauce to fall. Chicken. I wonder if the cheese makes it golden like this. I know, this is so good. Guys, I'm just drinking a little bit of apple cider. Ooh, hey guys, welcome to all my new subscribers. And thank you to my day ones. Can you guys see this? You guys know I'm a bread girl. I love my bread. Look at this. That one was packed of bacon. Full of bacon. Yeah, it didn't call for like chopped garlic, although chopped garlic would be really good in this. But it was very garlicky, very, very garlicky. You put a lot of garlic powder in here. But I cooked my chicken in garlic, fresh chopped garlic. So, this is a double garlic. You guys, I don't want to get full. I know it's that doggone juice. Look at this ring. This chicken. Yummo. So golden and so crusty and so crispy and delicious. I'm getting full. The bread is starting to expand in my stomach. I think I took a nice big chunk out of it. I did pretty good. Whew. Guys. I'm debating if I should wrap this video up. Excuse me. Look at that. All that bacon, that cheese, and that chicken. Guys, the recipe says to cook it for 20 minutes. I cooked mine a little bit longer. I did I checked it at 20 minutes and the top wasn't brown enough. I checked it again at 25 minutes and it was like okay. So at about 30 minutes, I took it out. But I kept checking it. Oh, delish. Oh, the oven just goes off just now. Look at all that goodness in there. Can y'all see that? Oh. This is filling. Very, very, very filling. I can't believe I ate as much as I did. I'm gonna be super full. All the bread and this juice. Cider. I love apple cider, guys. Whew. I'm satisfied. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Let me do another close-up once again. See the inside of that, you guys? All that yummy goodness in there. And look how nice and golden it is. Shiny and crispy. Can you hear that? Okay, guys. Once again, do me a favor, you guys. Thumbs up this video. This one deserves a thumbs up. This one is so good. Comment down below. Let me know, please, please, please. Let me know if you do make this recipe or if you switch it up and alter it a little bit. Maybe eliminate the bacon and add something else. I don't know. Or if maybe you use cheddar cheese instead of mozzarella cheese. I don't know, just let me know if you try this and how you like it. I think it would be really good for, you know, a bunch of kids just to kind of go in at it, or nice, good sleepover dish, something for a slumber party or something like that. Also a nice dish for a girls' night. You know, you have all the girls come over with some wine and some good music and some good laughs. It's a good dish for that too. So, also subscribe if you haven't done so. I know that I have a lot of viewers that watch but haven't subscribed yet, and that's okay. I'm patient. So subscribe, and on the side of the subscription button is a notification bell. If you hit it twice, you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Guys, I'm wearing my husband today. I don't know if I can show you guys. You see my honey bunny with his little fine self? Ooh, that one right there. Anyways, sorry, getting off track. Thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and I will see you guys for another mukbang. I don't know exactly what's next. I have an idea, but I'm not sure yet. So come back and join me. Be surprised with me. See you guys later. Bye.